Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a minute since I have been this excited about a handbag, and this is the bag. So this is the Marc Jacobs Small Wave Leather Satchel. I'll be sharing all the details of this bag in case you're interested, and I'll also be sharing what's in my bag today. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, this is the size small. It doesn't seem all that small. In fact, it holds all the things. So Marc Jacobs has been killing it lately with his fantastic bag designs. Of course, he is amazing with his The Tote bags, and they have become super popular and fantastic. But it has been a minute since I have had a bag that I'm this excited about. So this is the size small, and it is the Wave Leather Satchel. It is gorgeous, you guys. I love how elegant and sophisticated, but yet look how unique and stunning and just so gorgeous this bag is. I am truly loving everything about this bag. So this bag has the most gorgeous logo charm. So if you're not into big logos, this may be a pass for you. I personally love it. It adds so much to this bag. It looks so gorgeous. And I've never had a problem with logos on bags. I'm like, if I'm gonna have a fabulous designer, I don't mind telling everybody. So this here is where they get the Wave from. So it is called the Wave Leather Satchel. Here is your Wave. Okay, this is so unique and gorgeous and beautiful. I am here for it, guys. Like, I love this bag. I can't stop looking at it. It is well made. Marc Jacobs doesn't make a bag that's not well made. So this is no different. I love that it is made out of the highest quality leather, made out of sheep leather. Now, I will say I was a little concerned about that. I do feel like sheep's leather can kind of scratch a little bit easier than some other types of leather. But this one is really good, high quality leather. And the reason I know it matters is because I actually, a couple years ago, I want to say it's probably closer to 5 years ago now, bought this gorgeous Tory Burch bag. This is made out of lambskin, and I was really concerned it would get all scratched up and ruined in no time. But I loved it so much, I was willing to take a chance. I'm glad I did, because look at the quality. Like, there are no scratches. It doesn't look like it's been worn out, even though I've worn the heck out of it. And I believe that's the exact same thing with this one. So I felt a lot better about getting it. I'm not concerned it's going to get scratched to high heaven. I'm not concerned one thing where I scratch up against a wall or against a brick wall and my bag is done for. Now, I'm not saying do that. Obviously, you want to take care of your bag, especially this gorgeous leather one. But my point is, it's not so delicate and sensitive that you have to be walking on eggshells with your bag. So I'm loving that. So I'm going to go through a few pros, and I also have a few cons to this bag. I know it's sad. Obviously, the pro is it is stunning, gorgeous, unique, and I am here for it. I absolutely love the silver hardware. The zipper is big and chunky, and it's super sturdy. I absolutely love everything about it. I love that it's flat on the side, so it lays up against the body nice and comfy, and it holds all the things. The dimensions of this gorgeous bag are 7 3/4 inches in the length of the bag. It is 7 1/4 inches in the height, and 4 3/4 inches wide or deep. And so it is a good size bag. Even though it is called small, it is a good size bag. I love it so much. So it does have a 2-way zipper, which I absolutely love. So it doesn't matter which side of the zipper your bag lands on, you can zip from either side, which is super convenient. Now this is a chunky zipper. So the pro is it's a chunky zipper. Who doesn't want a good chunky zipper? I love this. It is sturdy. It's not going to pop on you. You can hold this little tab here to make it easier. And there's also one on this side as well, which is so convenient. So the negative of the chunky zipper is it's not quite as smooth. So keep that in mind. In general, you're going to need both hands to close this bag. It's not a one hand smooth zip. It is a good quality zipper though. So, you know, it can be a pro and a con. For me, I love a good chunky zipper. It doesn't bother me that I have to put a little effort in zipping and unzipping my bag. So I am going to have to hold the tab and unzip. And of course it opens smoothly, but again, you're going to need both hands to use this zipper because it is a chunky one. Another pro for me is that you can wear this top handle. It is gorgeous. I'm a huge top handle carry kind of girl, crook of the arm carry, but it also comes with this gorgeous strap. Again, has the nice silver hardware. It's going to clip nicely right here on the edge, easy to clip, nothing stressful with these little lobster claws. So easy to clip on. You now have yourself a nice shoulder strap, and you also can crossbody it. It is adjustable, which is fantastic. So these are all pros. Like I said, it is made out of high quality leather. So I feel like that is awesome. So you can attach the strap, it can be hands-free. If it gets too heavy, you can put it on your shoulder, you can crossbody it. And then, as I said, it's easily converted into a top handle just by removing the strap. So the crossbody strap is 21¼ inches. And as I said, it is adjustable for your height. Great shoulder bag, great crossbody bag, and it looks amazing on the body. It is beautiful, you guys. All right, so this bag retails for $658. I picked mine up from Nordstrom. I feel like it is not dirt cheap, but it is a good quality bag. I feel like it's definitely a middle of the road, and I don't know, guys. Do you think it's worth it? I've got to tell you, I have loved this so much since picking it up. I really have zero regrets here. So I know it's a little pricey, but I am in love with this bag, and I feel like it's truly worth every single penny. Just tell you a little bit about what I feel is a con. It's simply that there are no metal feet on the bottom. I'll be honest, a lot of designers don't do that. So, you know, it's not like Marc Jacobs has done anything terribly wrong. It would just be nice, especially a price point that's a little higher. It would be nice to have some metal feet on this gorgeous bag just to keep it nice as long as humanly possible. It does get a little bit heavy, but I mean, it's going to be a heavy bag based on what you put in it. So, you know, if you're going to, you know, carry the bare minimal, it's not going to be as heavy. So obviously, keep that in mind when you go ahead and pack your bag, that it's going to get heavy. And it's leather too. It's a quality bag. It's absolutely gorgeous in my opinion, and I am loving it so much. Okay, let's see what I have in my bag. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like it. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. I'd love to see you in my next video. And don't forget to stay to the end. I'm going to show some mod shots so you can see what this bag looks like on. So first, I do have my Prada sunglasses in here, and just so you can see, there is so much in here, you guys. So this bag definitely is a all the things kind of bag. You are definitely going to be able to fit everything your heart desires in here. So keep that in mind. I feel like it's a great value when it comes to a beautiful leather bag. So what I have in here are my antibacterial wet ones. This is kind of my emergency kit, if you will. It has some lens wipes for my sunglasses. I always carry some Claritin for allergies. I have a face wipe by Neutrogena. Sorry, it's upside down. Neutrogena wipe. I also have a Band-Aid in case I get a paper cut or blister from one of my shoes. I have Tums because you never know when you're going to get indigestion or heartburn. And then I have contacts just in case I lose one or my eyes get so dry that I need to put a fresh one in. And then I also have some chewable Dramamine as well. So next I just put my phone case in there so you know that clearly the phone fits in here, and a lot of times that's where my phone goes. So in this little cute Longchamp purse, and I love to put some bright color bags in here just because the lining is a little darker. It's a gorgeous burgundy, which I'll show you in just a minute. But I have my cute little Longchamp coin purse. So in here, I usually will keep all my breath fresheners. So I have a really good Listerine spray. This is so refreshing, you guys. It just wakes you up, makes you feel fabulous. I always carry some gum. I have a Element electrolyte drink mix because these are just so good. Anytime I feel a little tired and run down throughout my day, this just gives me like a boost of energy, and it just really makes my mood seem so much brighter and happier. So make sure you're hydrated. And then at the very bottom, I have my car key, and I don't usually need to pull it out. It's one of those where you just start the car as long as it's close enough to the car that you don't end up, you just have to be really close to the car. So I don't usually have to pull that out, so I don't mind just having it here. And I love that it's in this little green pouch, so if I ever do need it, I can just quickly grab it. Especially if I'm, running in or something and I just want to lock the car, I'll just grab this little pouch with my credit card and run inside. This is a book light, so I decided that instead of buying a purse light, I decided I would just go ahead and use my book light as a purse light. Is that like super cheap of me? I don't care. I thought it was somewhat intelligent of me. I felt like it was a good idea. What do you guys think? Is it dumb? Anyway, so I have my little book light, and it's kind of my bag light so I can see in here because, like I said, it is a little bit of a darker lining. Getting a little protector liner just to protect the bag and also to give me a little bit more organization. This is my Clemens Louis Vuitton wallet in the Demier Azure print. It's really pretty. I love this wallet. I'm glad it's spring and going into summer so I can use this. I also have my day planner, which I kind of take with me everywhere. I have my phone charger because, I've been so many places and needed to charge my phone. And then I have my adorable little Ladybug AirPods. And I always carry my makeup with me. This little cutie has been with me for a long time, but I have all the things. So I have my hand sanitizer by Touchland. It smells divine. I have, let me set this here. I have Milk makeup. This is so good, you guys. Like, it is so opaque and fantastic. I love it so much. I'm glad it's finally becoming temperatures where I get to wear it. And also have a really good Dior. This is the lip glow, and it's so creamy and beautiful. And I want to say this is the shade, look how pretty. This is the 012 Rosewood, and just beautiful, isn't it, for spring and summer? So excited for that one. I also have this really pretty Chantecaille lipstick, and it just screams summertime, and it's so creamy and pigmented. I love it so much. And I also have my new favorite. This is the best for spring and summer. I picked it up during the Sephora sale this year. I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to spray it on me. Oh my gosh, this is the Gucci Flora, and it is so heavenly, you guys. It's amazing. I will say be careful when you're in nature and you know you're going to be in nature. Do not spray this. The bees think you're a genuine flower. It is divine and heavenly, but you know, I don't really want bees following me. It's intimidating. Even though I love a good bee, they help so much. I love them, but I just don't want them chasing me. So keep that in mind. You have been warned, but it is so good, you guys. I have a Coach mirror. I also have my CoverGirl. This is my powder that I use all the time. And I usually will have some sort of mini with me. This is the Gucci Flora, and can never have too much. And then here's my little Becca mini highlighter. Oh my gosh, these are so good. This is Champagne Pop, and let me just show you. Like sick, right? Isn't it gorgeous? I'm here for it. It's so good. Now, all I have in here is my mini sponge, which I need if I need to freshen up my foundation. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. It's just a little mini, which is convenient. And then I have a little bit of the tubing mascara by Tarte, which is really good, by the way. All right, so I have completely cleared out my bag. You see all the things that fit in there? Oh my gosh. All the things, right? Like you are not going to want for room. It does have a nice little zipper pouch in there, and then it has the most gorgeous, elegant leather tab that says Marc Jacobs. And what do you guys think? Do you like this gorgeous wave bag? I feel like size small is not small at all. It is a really good size. All right, I'm going to give you some mod shots so you can kind of see exactly how big this size small is. So here she is. So crook of the arm carry. Isn't it beautiful? Then if you want to wear it as a shoulder strap, of course, this is adjustable, so you can put this to any setting that works for your body. And then obviously you can crossbody it as well. So there you have it. What do you guys think? Do you love it as much as I do? I am a nut for this. I am in love with this bag. I feel like it is super chic. It's different, it's unique, but it's absolutely like it reminds me of something that is classic and somewhat timeless. It's something I feel like I could have in my wardrobe for many years to come and it not go out of style. It's so chic and elegant and I mean classic, right? What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth the price tag? It's a little steep at $658. What are your thoughts about the sheepskin leather? Does that concern you a little bit since it's a little bit more delicate? Or do you feel like this is 100% worth the price tag and something you're interested in splurging on? So let me know all about it in the comment section. I'd love to chat with you. Don't forget to give it a like. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video. And until next time, bye friends.